because it's just like whenever I feel like recording, I'll just go record. Because like I record myself, so like I don't have an engineer, nothing. I do everything myself, like everything.
So did you create your own template and everything?
Yeah, really, Wyland gave it to me. If you know what it is.
Wieland? Wyland.
I think it's Wyland.
I think it's Wyland.
Yeah.
Or Wieland. I rated Wieland. Sorry if I disrespect your name, boy.
Nah, yeah, but like when I was in New York, I didn't really know how to record myself. Mm-hmm. But like, and it was because my presets was ass. Like,
I feel like
it sounded so bad, I didn't want to do it because like I would make a song and then I didn't want to listen to it